adventure a little bit.
I drink milk.
Damn, look at that turbocharger. What are the settings on this unit? 3/4 ton? You could do 1/4 ton. So I think it's pretty clear what we're doing here.
Putting engine
In this fucking thing, because that's what we have to do. It's just fucked. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. And then we got one of them. It's got one of them relocation units for the stock turbo. Obviously, this is a stock. This says whole set on it. It's obviously what came in the Z31. Z31 came with, from the factory, a HX35 with a 51R mod.
Correct.
Yikes.
Yeah, it's coming up.
We're out of oil. Dude, can I look at this fucking supposed crack that we...
Check it out.
This, can't even focus on this shit. Yeah, we thought that was a crack, but if only my fucking camera worked. Something we don't need right there?
I'm gonna have to make like a 76-point turn, bro.
No, back it up. Hold on. Swag.
The relocation pipe looks like it's gonna hit stuff as it goes down.
Nah, it's also way too far this way. Like, look on the other side.
Oh, yeah, great.
Yeah. So we have to readjust.
Stop there.
We have to pull it back to come here. We're gonna have to put it in like a little far forward and then just kind of rock it back once it's like down.
Okay.
This has gotta make it below this fucking,
The shield.
yeah, the area. Yup. Okay, it's fucking shit. Damn, homie got the peanut butter and jelly interior. This is like Z32 seats, some random carpet, fucking door panels from the turbo car, 86 black fucking dashboard, and a Z32 wheel hub with one of them units. Exactly, and then it.
Got that cut. Do you want to try to see if it'll...
Yeah, let's see the shit. We're having some issues with this relocation fucker. It's not wanting to work. And we have to cut some material. Yeah, plug it. Damn. This shit is gonna cook. You have a turbo the size of the engine.
Yeah. Cummins. Figure all that out eventually.
Wastegate can just go straight down.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's just literally gonna be here and then dump.
Probably back. I would shoot it back as far as make it here and then just shoot it womp straight down.
Don't tell me what to do.
Okay. Do it straight up. Out the hood.
I mean, that was the original plan.
Wastegate out the hood.
Yeah.
It would be pretty neat.
The wastegate out the hood and the rest of the exhaust out the back. But that's it's gonna be a difficult task to achieve. I don't know how you'd make a downpipe for that. Because it would have to be 3-inch.
Womp. Fuck that. Fuck that. Womp. You're gonna have to get it down in like here and then over and then down.
Or, well,
Hood dump.
well, what sucks is I need to figure out downpipe or hood dump before I run it. Because I need the downpipe for the O2 sensor and the wideband.
Yeah.
For it to like
Run.
actually not just foul the plugs
Explode.
instantly. Yeah.
I don't think it's gonna foul the plugs. It might do a little.
These without without O2 sensors, they just run rich.
Are you gonna run an O2 sensor?
I should to get the most out of the fucking stock tune I'm gonna use. But
I guess. Damn, look at these wheels. These shit's ugly as fuck.
hey, fuck you. Fuck you.
If anybody wants macaroni,
Hey,
we have
I
macaroni.
need those.
No, you fucking don't.
Those are my heater control.
What if I put it in the valve cover?
No!
What? Macaroni. Goodbye, macaroni. Damn, look at that clutch. It don't do shit. 'Cause it doesn't fit.
What the fuck? Why does this one not have that bracket? Or is that the right one?
This one is the right one. See how it's it goes to the right side, not the fucking cruise control goofy side?
Hey, do me a favor.
Yes?
Shut up.
Okay, I'm sorry. Damn, look at this ugly ass drive shaft. Is that gonna go in a car?
Yeah. Why is that so tight?
Be careful, mister. Doesn't look very tight.
It was with my fingers.
Yes, bolts are usually more than finger tight. Just like this one that you painted that's finger tight.
Yeah, I painted all of them.
You did.
Yeah, everything, including the leaves.
So basically, conclusion of the day. There's a turbocharged fucking engine sitting in this unit here. It is a 84, 85 motor. So it is like 7-to-1 compression. And it's in the 86 body. It's got a slight crack on the windshield. Some fucking shithead crashed this car and then stomped through the windshield in anger.
Took a nice swan down.
And then it sat in a fucking field for like 10 years. Then you bought it from Xenon Z-Cars.
And I think Joey said he had it for like 7 or something.
7
like that.
years. Yeah, it looks like it. So I took the motor out of it because I'm doing some NA garbage because I'm dumb and I got rid of my turbo setup. But it's got a full interior and it's got an engine in it which is 10 fucking times better than it was like a couple weeks ago. Basically what's led to this whole toboggle is this guy bought a fucking pile of stink, titleless piece of shit black turbo car.
Running and driving.
Yes.
Titleless, rotted Turbo Z31.
Yes,
But
and it was so fucking rusted that the subframe moved on it. While we were
I couldn't get the drive shaft out of it because the rear subframe shifted like 3 inches. The floors were not there.
yeah, the
Driver
floors are
frame rail
not
was
there.
Gone.
Everything's missing. I think we took videos of us like punching holes through it with a.
Yeah, with the big bar. Right. Yeah, the
But
stress test.
it was really bad. But so if you come under here, we've got frame rails, we've got fenders, we've got pinch welds. They're a little fucked up, but there's no rust on this whole entire shell, which is fantastic. And if you know Z31s, whew,
They rust.
there is car there, and that is fantastic. So this thing is gonna be pretty fucking sassy once we're all said and done with it. The other side is just the same. No rust over there. So yeah, this fucking thing's sitting in here. It's got one of them whole set HX35 fucking turbo units with a 51 R mod.
D51 R mod. It has a different hot side. for faster spooling. It made like 400 horsepower on 12 pounds of boost on a 1JZ, and those make like no torque at all. So I'm thinking it'll fit this motor pretty well, and it was very cheap. So can't beat that.
Really just need to buy intercooler and a downpipe, and then this thing is fucking... And a clutch.
Yeah, clutch.
And then this thing is ready to... you might need a... I would get a radiator too.
Yeah.
A chance.
Yeah, the radiator, downpipe, clutch, intercooler,
Windshield.
the block-off plates are coming.
Coilovers when you
Yeah.
can, and then paint. And then this thing is fucking set. Like, I'm pretty surprised. It's going along pretty well.
Better than I thought.
Hell yeah. Look at this fucking thing.